Today in this video I show you how to change fonts on Facebook posts. You can see if I click on plus icon and type anything to post, then I can change text background. But I cannot change the font of text in Facebook because Facebook does not give any feature to change font in post. So if you want to change font, then you can try this method. Copy the text. Now go back and open Chrome browser. Click on search bar and search font changer. Now open this website. Now paste or type your text in this normal text. After typing or pasting the text, you will find your text in different fonts like this. You can select and copy the font style you want. And then click on Recents tab. Open Facebook. Remove this text and paste the new text with font. You can see font style is changed. So this is how you can change fonts on Facebook posts. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.